Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. In today's video, I wanted to share another surprise unboxing from my dear friend, Cathy, who sends me all of this incredible stuff to share with you. Cathy, girl, you spoil me so much, and I super appreciate it because, oh gosh, the last month in particular has been unlike anything I have ever been through, and I don't know if I'm coming or going right now, so it is really fun to be able to take a few minutes to open a surprise gift and share it with you all. I'm hoping over the course of the next month that I clear a significant portion of stuff off of my plate and can start getting back to a normal life, because boy am I ready. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, Cathy. Cathy. She got me a fat quarter bundle. Oh my God, from Rashida. Oh, I love Rashida so much. Oh, Cathy, thank you. Oh, I'm literally speechless. Oh, this is the new one, Pivot. Oh my gosh. We're going to open it and thumb through it. I don't normally like to open things right away because they are protected in the plastic, but we're just going to go with Wild Abandon because I do have those zippered pouches from Missouri Star that I shared with you a couple videos back that I can put this in and keep it dust free. But oh yes, let's look and enjoy. And she also included an absolutely beautiful bag. Look at this. From Stitch Supply. In my very favorite color, pink. Cathy, you really know me very well. That's beautiful. What a beautiful project bag. I will use that. Oh my gosh. I am beside myself. If you don't know, if you're newer to the channel, Ruby Star is like my favorite. I love them so much. I have quite a lot of Ruby Star in my collection, but they're so prolific, and it's like, I think it's like 5 house designers, one of which is Rashida, and Kimberly Kite and Sarah Watts, Melody Miller, and the last woman escapes me right now. But anyway, all 5 of these women, they put out like 2 collections a year, and then they'll do guest designers and collaborations, and I mean, they just go and go and go. So it's hard to get it all because it's a lot of fabric. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to hold it up, and then we're just going to thumb through it. This is so much fun. So she's got these little ladies who are working out, which I think is the cutest thing in the world. And Rashida does the most beautiful abstracts. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a gorgeous color? Beautiful work. Oh, these are so good. Look at that. That's like right out of the 70s. I love that. I'm a child of the 70s is what you would call me. That's when I grew up. So I love this kind of stuff. It really takes me back. Oh, look at this one. So this is like a mobile. And the color. That's a good pink. So this is the pink version of this one. It's a good floral. This is almost Scandinavian looking to me. Look at that. I love that. They used to have in the 70s, I think they called it the movie of the week or something. I think it was called the movie of the week. And so like it was a summertime thing, and they'd have a new movie that the network did that came out each week, and they would have like this kind of style lettering. Some of you might remember that. Look at that. You know what this would go good with? This would go really well with the fabric I have that's of the hard-boiled eggs. Oh my gosh. Orange. I love orange. Oh, that's pretty. So this is this and the mustard. That's gorgeous. This is a big fat quarter bundle, guys. And this is so similar to that hard-boiled eggs, which I love. That's one of my favorite prints ever. Beautiful. Oh, isn't that fun? That's like a birthday party right there. Confetti, like that confetti cake. I don't know if you ever had confetti cakes. Here's our workout, ladies. When I clear some of this stuff on my plate that I'm trying to get through right now, I am getting back to working out. I'm just going to tell you. That is coming first. Oh, that's gorgeous. So that's the white of this. Oh, there's that mobile design. That is fun. Rashida just has such a good... She has a great eye for shape and color mix. Just really, she's a very, very good designer. Oh, look at that. That's a fun low volume. Actually, you could use that as a low volume. And what else do we have? Oh, here's the ladies in yellow. Isn't that fun? Oh, and then the mobiles. That's beautiful. Pivot. This is the new collection that is out now from Ruby Star. Pivot from Rashida Coleman Hale. Just absolutely gorgeous. Cathy, how you spoil me. I appreciate it. Look at the beautiful card. And she makes these, you guys. This is how talented Cathy is. She makes these gorgeous cards for me. Cathy, you're way too good to me. I don't deserve you. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm going to read it. I bought this from a local quilt store, and it is the only one we have left. They are only open on Thursdays. I try to buy something from them every other month as a show of support. I really don't need anything, so I bought this for you. Cathy. You can bring it out every once in a while and look at the colors and remember that I'm thinking of you. Oh, that is very sweet. Thinking of you, your mom, and your friend. There is a light at the end of the tunnel, and you just can't see it yet. You'll get there, Cathy. That's really nice. Thank you, Cathy. It has been hard. You know, it's like you have someone that's been in your life literally for decades, and they've always been this just like really robust, never even get a sniffle kind of a person, and then all of a sudden they're dying of cancer. And that was hard. And he wound up with bone cancer. Bone cancer is always a secondary cancer, so it indicates metastasis. And by the time it was diagnosed, he was at stage 4, and it was very serious. And he was in a lot of pain, and that was very hard because nothing ever bothered him. And it was rough. And I did everything I could do for him. I did everything I could that I thought was right by him. And it was a lot of very hard decisions. And anyway, I did my best. So I have to wrap it up now. My mom is calling for me. So that's going to be the end of the video for today. Thank you as always for watching. And I will see you in the next video.